Welcome to POSR.
Login.
Dashboard appears. Go to Dishes option. Add dish name and details. Add sale price without tax. Price with tax updated automatically. Select recipe item. Add quantity. Press Add button. Item price added automatically. Add complete recipe. All the items added. Select printer. Press Save button. Go to All Dishes option. Search dish by name or number. You can edit the dish details. Edit your desired changes. Recipe added successfully. Thanks for watching.